Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we have is another website. His name is KERIN Kiransmortgage.com. We want to save your $1,000 on your mortgage. Here is a very good mortgage homes, and I don't see the Tesla car in this picture because where is Tesla? I personally ask you question for all mortgage peoples. I like Tesla, but I don't see the Tesla car. Okay, he's a pretty girl. We have know your options and get pre-approved with our quick and easy tools. Get you free pre-approval letter. Here is the pretty girl. We can select. You can your mouse and get your free pre-approval letter. Get start now. We can definitely select get start now. Here is sorry for the delay. Actually, our internet connection is slow. Get your loan and your zip kid. They want to personal information. They I want not put. And here is the analysis your reference option and compare today mortgage rates. Now we can scroll down. We have a 6 way. We help you look in lower rates. Here is you can down the mouse, and here is a your home loan could be fully funded 30 days from now. Here is I don't know. Here is the daughter and father. Here is the son and here is the father. Here is the home. This loan is looks like a grave, like homemade grave. Sorry for that. And here is the more rates. We can also select the prices first of all. Uh, we can go. What the fuck? Sorry for that. And loans option 30-year fixed mortgage loans, and you can see 30 years fixed rate mortgage on the cheap price. I have a get free question for 3 years fixed rate mortgage $1,000 per year. I hope one day I'll buy to all home because of my favorite, and I'll give you all the rent and I earn money. Here is the mashallah very handsome home sweet home, but one I need one GF for in this home. Here is the GF. Is a very good life. I hope you are enjoying this video. Please like, share and subscribe channel and pray for me. God will give me a very handsome wife. Thank you. Bye.